up, y'all? So I have really exciting news for you guys. Your girl has partnered another partnership with Nadula Hair. They actually, you know what I'm saying, trying to bless y'all with a hair giveaway, you know what I'm saying, all because of your girl, which is really good, really great. You know what I'm saying, you know, it's the holidays, you know what I'm saying, y'all gotta be slaying and role playing, okay, period, stop playing with me. And yeah, guys, they're doing a hair giveaway. Yes, man, free hair. So don't even ask, is the hair free? What we gotta do? Baby, I got you like Baku. So I'm just about to read these few easy steps for you guys. And you guys is gonna be in there like somewhere, okay, period. And it's actually a Black Friday sale too that they got going on. But you might have a, you know what I'm saying, I really think you guys have a high chance of winning if you just follow these few easy steps. Step 1, check Nadula Hair website. I'm gonna put their website in the description. So make sure y'all following directions, cause y'all know y'all good for not following directions. I just want to like, share this video, subscribe to the Nadula Hair channel. So actually, you know what I'm saying, just pause the video right quick before you forget. Just go follow them right now at Nadula Hair. Comment www.nadula.com and hashtag it Black Friday and your Instagram down below. I advise y'all to do it right now because y'all gonna forget, you know what I'm saying? Listen to your girl, listen to your girl. Winner list will be announced on Nadula YouTube and Instagram. So that's why y'all gotta make sure y'all follow them so y'all can see what's goody in the hoodie. Like, okay, boom, baby, like I did what y'all said. Where the prize at? Where the prize? Using my code greatest, the same hair in the video that you guys just saw. And also for their Black Friday sale, they actually have like a little 8% off. Their coupon code is TBC8, and the other one is black number 12. And I bet y'all like, so okay, so boom, baby, like, child, like, what's the inch, baby? You know what I'm saying? What's the inch? What we gonna get? So basically you get 18 inch, just 3 bundles with a 16-inch closure. The second winner, matter of fact, I take that back, y'all. It's actually going to be 2 winners. Second winner, they're gonna win 3 16-inch bundles and a natural color. So follow these steps. I'm gonna definitely put them in the caption. So make sure y'all listening out. Make sure y'all up on me so y'all can win this motherfucking prize. Y'all know y'all want them frontals so y'all can go back to school, go back to work, slaying and role playing. Okay, period. And those guys, good luck.